My videos kind of suck lately. If you watched my last video, you'll probably already know that. But there's one thing that I'm going to do to fix them. And I'm going to talk about that in this video. So if you're a new creator or just somebody that is wanting to get into video, and you should be wanting to get in video because it is the future, it's kind of where everything is going, you're going to want to watch the rest of this video. But first, if you're new here, my name is Corey, and I'm building a business in public, a creator business, personal brand, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to put a unique twist on it because this is basically my retirement plan. I'm at 53 now, and I just want to build something that's going to sustain into my later years. So that is kind of the main focus of everything I'm going to be talking about on this channel and the focus of my business. So if you're 50 plus, you're creating, you've got a business or whatever, and that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you subscribe and follow along. Also, grab my AI fast track newsletter guide. And I don't know if I said that right, but it's right below the video. And it's going to help you get a newsletter set up really fast, because whether you're a big creator or a small creator, big business, small business, you need an email list. It's the core of your business. So check that out and get started on that today, because that is going to be a huge asset for you, as long as you have a business. So anyway, back to the whole thing about my videos sucking. If you watched my last couple of videos, and even this one, I'm probably, choppy edits, ums and ahs, random topics, just probably too long, not making great eye contact, kind of robotic and unnatural. See what I'm saying? Maybe they're not well thought out and all that. It's just, it's not my best work, and it doesn't feel natural yet. It's getting there. I know the right way to do it. Trust me, because I've done a ton of research. I'm the guy that goes and just digs around and finds 50 different ways to do something before I actually do it. It's not a great thing. I'm not proud of that, but it's what I do. So I know all the stuff I need to do, but now it's just a matter of putting in the reps. And that is the key to this whole thing. That's how I'm going to get better, is I'm just going to pump these videos out and do as many as I can, just hitting record and talking to you just like I am right now. So that's what I'm going to do. It's kind of the same with anything, right? Like if you're working out, you got to put in the reps. If you want to get skinny, you want to run faster, you want to, build muscle, you have to put in the reps. And a creative endeavor like this is kind of very similar to, I'm a musician, singer, songwriter. And back when I used to play a lot, one thing I noticed is that, like, if I played a show like once a week or once a month, it was kind of a little choppy, right? Because I was kind of stumbling through things. It didn't flow. But there were times when I would play, 2-3 shows a week, and I would practice multiple times during the week with either the band or just myself. And once you did that, you just got into a flow. So you don't have to think about a lot of the stuff that you were doing. You could just kind of focus on the audience. And that's kind of what I'm going after with the YouTube videos, or just videos in general, is just getting to the point where all the stuff I need to do, hit the call to actions at the beginning, letting you guys know if there's something that I have for you, making sure that I'm not stumbling all over the place and making, saying the ums and ahs and the knows, so I don't have to edit the hell out of this video, and just making sure that my thoughts all kind of, string together in a nice coherent fashion. And that's just kind of what the goal is. And again, bottom line, you got to put in the reps. So that pretty much is all this video is about. I'm putting in a rep, and I'm telling you that you should put in a rep. So anyway, before I let you go, now this is part of the choppiness of these videos. I got to tell you what to do, right? Because we're building this business, we're on here doing this for a reason. And I already told you one thing that you should do is grab the AI newsletter fast track guide that I have below the video for you. Because again, if you don't have an email list, whether you're a small creator, small business, or a large business or a large creator, and there's a lot of you, I see you out there that don't have an email list, you need to kind of start doing that now. You need to start collecting emails. So grab that guide below and get started on that. I'm telling you, it's huge. It's important, especially if you want an asset for the long term. The second thing I want you to check out is if you're somebody that's looking for some more personalized help with your business or whatever it is that you're doing online, make sure that you check out the link I have below too, because I'm just offering a free 30-minute consultation. Why would you want to talk with me? Well, I've been doing this internet marketing stuff since, like, I don't know, 2005, so I've been doing it a really long time. I've been full time as a Google Ads manager slash digital marketing consultant since like 2013. So I have a lot of knowledge in my head, and I love looking at people's businesses or their personal situation and helping them find solutions to whatever it is they're trying to do, whether they need more traffic or whether they want to start an email list, whatever it is. I'll personalize some kind of a plan for you if you just jump on with me for about 30 minutes. So you can do that right below the video, and we'll talk about it. Totally free right now, as I get this thing going, but as I get better, may not be free in the future. So jump on there right now. And again, thanks for watching. I have another video I'm going to put right up here. So you're going to want to watch that because it's going to be a natural progression. See how I'm doing that? So there you go. Watch that and check out this stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, all that shit. Now I'm saying too much. See, there you go. Part of putting in the reps. Talk to you later.